What sets us apart, makes us different from some other people in the space, is we can take everything from the initial conception phase of the project. Customer knows they need to do something different. We can take them through the architectural phase, the design phase, engineering, all the way out to our fabrication capabilities, the construction capabilities, as well as service. One benefit of using Evans throughout this process is we can either work with your general contractor if you're opening a new building or a new facility, you're building a building, you're building out your yard, we can work with that general, work under them, and your vendors are consolidated to just your general contractor, or we can be our own GC. We're licensed as general contractors. We can pull your permits for you. We can do whatever is needed. You only work with one vendor. You're not having to go get a separate plumber or a separate electrician or a separate construction company, manufacturing company. We will handle everything from start to finish to service years down the road.